I found a secret stash. Ching! Wait, I didn't even know they had all that stuff down there. Look at this. Yo, what is up, you guys? How's it going? It's your boy ZH Comic Art. I've got my girlfriend right here. We drove a long time just to get here. This is one of the biggest art stores in the country, so we're gonna do a no-budget art supply shopping spree. We're gonna buy as much as we can. We're gonna buy a ton of stuff. A lot of it will be for a giveaway at the end, so make sure you guys watch to the end. I'll show you guys how you can be a part of the giveaway. So why don't we go inside? Whoa! What is
googly?
Googly eyes. Oh, did you ever do these when you were a kid? Oh, they have superhero ones too. Wait, I think you put them down and then you iron it out. Wait, this one already exploded. Wait, half of these are dead already. Okay, do you like this better?
Uh-huh.
Or, oh, mummy. Rubber bands. I wonder what these are for. Whoa, you can make your own bouncy ball. Wait, that is so cool. Whoa, okay. Got some paint over here. Got a lot of little kids' art supplies. the true art supplies. This is the real deal right here. Guys, you're not an artist if you're not using these. Oh, look. They have mono magic. These are so fun to play with. Yeah. Oh, let's go look for the Copic markers and chameleon pens. I love those.
Oh, yeah.
Can find markers?
We can be just like him.
Oh yeah, wait, can you use one of these?
Oh my gosh.
You want me to buy 2 of them?
Oh my god, that's so cute, yeah.
Okay, yeah, you guys, later we're gonna follow Bob Ross tutorial, so happy trees. So okay, how about this? Let's get this.
$15.
It's no budget, we can get whatever we want. Should we get a big one?
Yeah. Let's get a big one.
Or maybe we can just get both.
Yes. Oh, here's the little fan brush that he uses.
It's gonna be used for oil paint. Wait, these look like makeup brushes, don't they? You would just get a ton of these, okay. Awesome. Oh, should we get an oil paint set? Should we get that?
Yeah, it looks
okay.
beautiful.
Guys, I can't believe we're doing this. Oh my goodness. We're spending so much money on... Wait, we're spending so much money on paint supplies and we haven't even gone into the markers yet. Oh, I see that pun. Figure it out. Hey, pose like that. Pose. We have a couple things in here. Cup washer stuff. All in one run, so... What were you doing?
Nothing.
We're in the art store.
I was listening to you.
Maybe this can turn into a Michelle vlog. Well, let's see.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, I'll get one of these. This even has it raised so you can move it up and down. It's no budget. I'll just get it. Let's get a nice blue pencil. Good.
It's like color pencil.
We'll get all of them.
Does he use like blue?
Let's get all of them. I'll just get it. There's some random erasers. I guess we'll try it. We'll get a couple. Look. A tape measure.
Like a light.
Oh, lighting. Oh, these are good. Actually, I might need some of these lights. I feel like I might as well buy more of these lamps. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out which light we should get. What are you doing?
Sorry.
It's not supposed to be part of the vlog.
That looks too cute. Light up my world.
This is not appropriate for YouTube.
Why are you still touching your butt?
It feels nice. And whatever, we can buy whatever we want. My mom's gonna be so mad. Do you want them? Do you want them for school?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get them for you.
Oh, thank you. You're best.
It's okay, I'm getting some for my subscribers too. So you guys don't feel left out.
Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my god, they are.
Oh, these are notebooks.
These are journals. Oh,
Oh, look at this. Oh, this is a sketchbook. Do you like sketchbooks?
I don't sketch. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, you hurt yourself for no reason.
These are all empty. We can go to the front to
Wait,
buy
but
what's
it's not
inside.
even. Wait, it's like wrapped though.
Hey, wait. There's nothing inside. These are literally just empty
Oh, it says display
These are just empty
only.
boxes.
What the? Oh, it comes with a pencil box too.
And maybe we'll just get it. I'll get some of these. That's kind of interesting, right? I'll get that. Oh, I lost my last pencil sharpener. I didn't get a pencil sharpener.
Already?
Let's get two of these. I like lead pointers. One of these. Ooh, actually we can test a ton of erasers. Okay, look. Look at this. We got some erasers there. I don't even know why I'm buying so many erasers. It's because I mess up a lot.
Your life is a mistake. Oh.
You're saying I was an accident? Ooh, this is a cool clicky eraser.
Ooh.
What are these pink ones?
What? What? What is it?
No way! Read that!
Eraser, pencils, crayons. What? It's a
This
crayon?
is an eraser. Eraser pencils. I think this pencil is an eraser.
Oh, how cool would
So you
that
sharpen it,
be?
and it's an eraser. You use like a pencil, but it's actually an eraser.
This is dust free.
Here, we'll get more. We'll get one more. Rip. It's dead. Rip wallet. You guys better share this video, otherwise I'm gonna be living on the streets for the next like half a year.
Oh my gosh! Oh,
You're so
what is it? Oh.
Hello.
Oh my goodness. I'm with the 5-year-old. Oh, that one's so cute. Oh. Yeah.
You're gonna get kicked out. Hey, I promise you guys we're going back to the marker soon. Whoa!
Oh my gosh, it worked. Okay, I don't see it moving.
I am CHC. Type your name in. Type your name in. Whoa.
And Michelle.
Oh, we got a lot already. Look at that. We
Ooh.
got a lot of stuff.
Wait, are these birthday balloons? Whose birthday is next?
When do you turn 21?
April.
It's a little early. Ooh, let's get
Ooh.
chalkboard tape. We're done with everything for now. I think we can go back to the markers.
Let's go. Are you talking about these markers?
No.
High five.
Oh, wrong hand. Oh, no. Hold that. Hold that.
Oh, this is so cute.
Oops. Let's pick it up. Yeah, put it back. Put it back. Okay. Michelle. It's a heart for you because you give me a heart attack. Is this how you pick up girls? What word starts with an F and ends with an uck?
I already know it.
Yeah, it's fire truck.
Oh my god.
Peg people? Dude, these look so inappropriate.
Oh my gosh.
Michelle, I see you. I think you're pretty cool.
I'm waiting for an insult.
There's nothing to insult you about. Except for... Yeah, I couldn't think of it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Good enough. Let's keep going. Let's go check out the markers again.
Do you need scissors?
Guys, my wallet's gonna die. Press F to pay respect. Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, surprise, surprise. I'm gonna do a draw my life one of these days.
You should get like a marker.
Okay, this would be for the draw my life. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here.
Draw what life? You're only 19.
Excuse me, I'm 19 is very old. Wait, that's like my entire life right there. Ooh, we got some cool ones over here. Micron pens. Okay, let's get all of these. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ooh. Wait, that's so cool. This is like a little...
It's like graffiti.
Yeah, it's like those graffiti things. I'm gonna get some of these. Oh, so these are like refills. Oh my goodness, that is a pretty color. Oh, I'm gonna lose control right here. Hey, actually, I'll get some of these for the giveaway. Oh, that's more than $100 right there, these four.
These are some lucky people.
Screw it, I'm just gonna get these. Apparently these are good markers too. Whatever, we'll get them. You guys, please subscribe right now, like this video, and just share it with your friends, you guys. Otherwise, I'm gonna be on the streets. Ooh, let's get a big Sharpie. We can do a big Sharpie challenge. Huge Sharpie.
Oh my god.
I've got so many challenge ideas.
Cha-ching. Cha-ching.
Oh, I forgot to say it.
Cha-ching.
Oh, should I surprise my sister?
Oh, that's so
Surprise my sister with some combo
cute.
markers. These?
Yeah.
We'll get this for John and my mom. You guys will get to see their reaction later. Hopefully I can give it to her as like a little offering, so when she sees all this, she's not gonna flip out. This will be for them. You scared me! That was such a sudden one. Skirt, we'll get like 3 of these.
Cha-ching.
Clear the whole shelf right here.
This is the 3rd time.
Maybe they have some over here. Oh, I love these. These are great. Oh, this is so heavy. 3 of them.
Cha-ching. 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 Cha-ching.
That was a little too many cha-chings. Oh my goodness, that sounds so Asian. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. We're gonna get roasted so hard for this. This is not looking good for the Asian community. Photo shoot. Yeah, okay. Oh no, what if we get kicked out? Judge me for buying supplies for art.
With a camera.
Maybe I'm just checking myself out. Maybe my hair's, oh, my hair's so messy. Your hair looks nice though. Just being serious. Sharpies and Sharpies. What do you say?
Cha-ching. Cha-ching. You didn't even count down.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, and it fell out. Okay, here.
Okay,
You gotta read
second try.
Okay.
3,
3,
2, 1. Cha-ching.
So
Oh my
much.
god, the cart is full.
You know what I could say? I'll be like, Mom, I used a coupon. And she'll be like, okay. Look at this.
Oh. No, I don't know.
Look at that.
Wow.
Let's get this. Hang on, you guys. I just realized something. Look at this. This is like, how much is this per Sharpie? Do the math.
150.
Okay, this is $1.50 per Sharpie, and you'd think that if they give you more, it'll be like cheaper per marker, right? Nope. This one's like $1.20 per marker, and this one's $1 per marker. So if you buy more, it's more expensive. They think we're idiots. Wait.
You were about to buy this one.
Oh yeah. Wait, Sharpie literally thinks we're idiots. What the heck? So you might as well buy 6 of these. This is the nice part about being Asian. You do the math. You do the math, you guys. This does not add up. Just buy a ton of these then. Oh. Damn it. Cha-ching. Wait, yeah, that's crazy, you guys. Hey, you're crazy. Crazy good looking. Ha, ooh, got him. Look, I found a secret stash. I'll buy all of these. Ching. I think they have a secret stash. Oh. Oh, they have more chameleon pens. You can get stuff from down here. Look. Ooh. Guys, I found a secret stash. Oh my goodness. Wait, I didn't even know they had all that stuff down there. Look at this. Whoa. I had no idea they had that actually. Oh, wait. Oh my goodness. CHC.
Do you mind?
Of course. I see what you did there. Why did you ask me? Is it because of that D?
Can I get another cashier just if you're available? Can you come help me ring?
These are the good ones.
You want another bag or?
Oh, yes, please.
Almost there.
Okay.
Ugh. Does it fit?
Oh no, what do we do?
You held up the line too.
Oh my goodness. It took so long. Okay, but we've got all of this. Check it out. I need to start rethinking my life choices. Okay, hopefully this doesn't rip.
Your little babies.
Okay, my babies. Oh, we have to buckle them up. Oh, Dad. Hi. Guess what? We just went to Michael's and we had another no-budget shopping spree. Look, look, look. There's a ton of stuff in the back. Look at all that.
That's a lot of things.
Yeah. It's quite a lot of stuff. It's a lot. Now we're gonna be doing the giveaway, which you guys have all been waiting for. So, remember the chameleon markers I bought? Well, these are gonna be for the giveaway. I'm going to keep some of them. 2 packs of micron pens, 4 chameleon marker packs. Look at that. I'll even toss in a sketchbook for you guys, okay? Sketchbook? Maybe I'll draw something on the first page. You guys never know unless enter to find out. And all these micron pens and chameleon markers. So what you have to do to win these, all you have to do is subscribe. You gotta turn on post notifications. Comment down below to let me know you're in the giveaway so I can actually choose you, and share this video. Share this video with your friends, family, just everyone you can so that they know about this video. Anyways, that's all you have to do. I hope a lot of you guys enter. There's a lot of stuff for you guys and you're gonna see me use a lot of this in upcoming videos. Oh, that is close. So that's it, you guys. This video shout out goes to Storm. If you want to win a shout out too, you just have to join the notification squad. We do a shout out every single video, so make sure you guys join if you want to win a shout out too. Yeah, that was pretty fun, but we did spend a lot. Yeah, there's so many, you guys. I can't believe we actually bought that much. A lot of it's for you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. We are almost at 100,000 subscribers. I'll have another huge giveaway once we actually hit 100,000 subscribers. Keep those pencils moving. Stay on the daily grind. We love every single one of you. We both do. And blow them a kiss. Blow them a kiss. Bye. We'll see you guys next time.